If you want to whiten teeth in Lightroom fast and naturally, this quick method will help you do it without making the teeth look fake or over-edited. In this video, I'll show you the simple manual brush technique that gives you better control, so you can brighten teeth, reduce yellow tones, and keep the result clean and realistic. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Lightroom tips. Let's jump right in. First, open your photo in Lightroom and go to the masking menu. From there, choose Brush. This is the best option when you want precision, because it lets you paint only the teeth and avoid affecting the lips or skin around them. Before you start brushing, zoom in close on the face so you can work carefully. Then select a small brush size and keep a little bit of feather on the brush. Feather is important because it softens the edges of the mask and helps the whitening blend naturally into the rest of the photo. Now, paint over the teeth slowly and carefully. Try not to cover too much of the gums or surrounding area. The goal is to isolate just the teeth, so every adjustment you make stays targeted and realistic. Once the mask is applied, it's time to adjust the settings. Start with exposure and increase it slightly. A small boost, around +0.20 to +0.40, is usually enough to make the teeth look brighter without making them look fake or washed out. Next, lower the saturation. Reducing saturation by around -20 to -40 helps remove that yellow tint and gives the teeth a cleaner, whiter appearance. After that, check the temp slider. If the teeth still look a little warm or yellow, shift temp slightly towards blue. You only want a settle change here because pushing it too far can make the teeth look unnatural. Then, if you want a more polished finish, raise the highlights a little. This can help the teeth catch light in a more clean and glossy way, which works really well for portraits and close-up shots. As you make each adjustment, zoom out occasionally and compare the before and after view so you can see how the teeth look in the context of the whole face. The most important part is keeping it subtle. Whitening teeth in Lightroom should enhance the smile, not make it look edited. If the effect starts looking too strong, just reduce the sliders a bit until it feels balanced. This manual brush method is one of the easiest ways to whiten teeth because you stay in full control of exactly what gets edited. It works great for portraits, social media photos, headshots, and any image where you want a brighter smile without using complicated tools. So to recap, choose brush and masking, zoom in, paint the teeth carefully, then lightly increase exposure, reduce saturation, adjust temp towards blue if needed, and add a small highlights boost for a polished look. And that's how to whiten teeth in Lightroom the easy way. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Lightroom editing tutorials for beginners.